Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to make custom view for a text for a toast in Android. We have already learned how to create toast in Android, but today we will learn how to make custom view for the toast. For example, I can show you an app that is working. This is a simple app which contains an edit text and a button. So whatever text it is written on the edit text will be shown on a toast when I click this button. See, this is a custom view for a toast, because that by default the toast is which Android provides contain a simple block with one background and a simple message on it. But we can customize the view, and here I have customized the view. I have added few things from my own. So at the end of this video we will be able to create a simple app like this. Okay, so let's start. To create a custom view for a toast, we need to create a custom view for the app for the toast. So to create a custom view, we will first go to resource directory, and then in resource directory we will go to layout directory, and here we will create a layout for our toast. So I will create a layout resource file. I will name it toast layout, and I will choose okay. So I will convert this constraint layout into linear layout for the sake of simplicity. And I will provide an ID to this linear layout. Android ID CUST. Okay, and we will provide an vertical orientation. Now we will create two text views. Text WNIG warning, Android gravity center, Android text size 24 dp, Android text, Android background, Android dot color dot hello orange light, Android text color, Android dot color dot white, Android dot text style bold, Android padding 4 dp. And now we will create a text view in which we will show the custom message. So for which I will choose for content, I will provide it an ID warning message, okay, and then I will provide Android text style bold, Android gravity center, Android background dot color darker gray, Android text color, Android dot color dot white, Android we will see Android padding 8 dp, and we will see how text will appear using tools. TWERS, and we will increase the text size, Android text size 18 dp. Okay, now the custom view is ready. We will show the custom message on this block in this text view, id warning message. Okay, now we will go to main activity. Here we will create a edit text. Toast message, and a button. Custom toast, and we will provide it an id dot id show toast. Okay, now we will use this button. Whenever we will click on this button, the custom toast will appear on the screen. Okay, now we will go to the main activity, and here and we have an edit text from which we will retrieve our text message. A button, on click we will show the toast. We need a view object to inflate the custom view. Okay, and a text view to show that message. So first we have take the reference of those edit text and the message and the button. Okay, so that on clicking this button we can get the message from this edit text, and we will be able to show that message on our toast. So to create the custom layout for our toast, we'll have to get an inflator, layout inflator. So we'll get a layout inflator object using get layout inflator. Okay, and then we will inflate our view. View is equals to inflator layout inflator dot inflate. Here we have to provide the layout which we have created for our custom toast. So r dot layout dot toast dot layout. Okay, this one, toast dot layout, the custom layout for the toast. And we have to provide a view group. So we will convert typecast our object into view group, and here we will provide find view by id of the entire toast which we have created. R dot id dot Android custom toast layout. Okay, this is this id. Toast layout, this id, custom toast view, id dot custom toast view. We have to use this id. So this is custom toast view. Okay, so now we have inflated our view. So what we have to do next is we have to get the reference of that text view which is inside that view, in which we will show our message. So for that we will use this particular view dot find view by id, r dot id dot warning message. This is this text view in which we will show the custom message. So we have to take the reference of this text view for which we are using this view's reference. so that we can get the reference of this text view. Okay, that's why we have used view.findView by id and not just find view by id. Now what's next is we will create a toast object. Toast equals to new toast. This time we will use constructor to create toast, and we will have to provide a context. We will use application context, so we will get application context. Okay, now we will set toast dot set gravity dot center and 0 xy axis. We have to set duration. Toast dot set duration is toast dot length long. Okay, and the most important thing to create custom view is toast dot set view. In this view we have to pass the view which we have created, this view, so we will pass this view in here. Okay, and now on button click, show message button click, show message dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Whenever user clicks this button, we will get the message from that edit text and show that in the form of a toast. Okay, so for which what we have to do is first get that message. So the simple way is directly set the message in this toast message. Okay, so what we will do is toast message dot set text, and now we will get the message from this toast message get edit text. Okay, toast message edit text dot get text dot toString typecasting. So whenever we will click on this show message button, it will take the message from this edit text and put it on this toast message which is inside this view. So to show the toast, what we will do is toast dot show. This will automatically show this message inside that custom view. Okay, now let's run it and see what happens. So there is an error. Okay, fine. Toast button, show toast, sorry. Now we will run this app again. Here it is. So we will type a message, hello Android dev Sunny VIEWERS, and here it is, the toast in our custom view. We can write whatever we want to. Hello Ferd, thank you for watching. So this is how we can create a custom view. So just recap, to create a custom text toast, we will have to do is to create a layout for the toast. After creating that layout, we will have to get the reference of that view inside our main activity or fragment, and then we have to get the reference of the text view or edit text, whatever we need it to show our message. Then we have to create a toast, and then we have to set the view of that toast to that view which we have get the reference of, and then on we have to show that message using toast.show. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for getting a lot of new Android related videos. Thanks a lot. Thank you.